I know you're jealous. Who doesn't want a fully tamed bird that lets you do whatever you want with it? But you're not alone. A lot of bird owners are struggling with taming their birds. In this video, you'll find out 5 reasons why your bird is not fully tamed and how to overcome this. Your bird had a previous negative experience. One reason your bird may be hesitant to let you tame it is if it had a bad experience in the past. If your bird was mistreated in a pet store or at a previous owner, it's totally understandable that it might be scared of humans. In this case, you'll need to be extra patient because birds with trauma take longer to tame. Your bird is scared of hands and new objects. If your bird is one of those birds that won't touch and play with a new toy for the first few weeks, then signs are that it's simply scared of new things, and your hands are one of them. For this case, I always recommend to try the 5-minute trick, where you leave your finger inside your bird's cage every day for 5 minutes, until your bird gets used to you. You're not committed. Taming a bird takes time and effort. Some birds can be tamed within a week, while others can even take a few months. But if you're not committed to the taming process, and you're forgetting to tame your bird nearly every day, or skipping taming sessions on a regular, there is no way your bird will ever be fully tamed. It's just your bird's personality. Just like people, your bird has its own unique personality. Some birds are more naturally stubborn and rebellious, making the taming process slower but still very much possible. You'll need to respect your bird's individuality and adjust your approach to suit its needs and temperament. You have other birds. If you have other birds, they can definitely distract your bird during the taming process. Your bird will feel more comfortable observing its flockmates rather than listening to your commands while taming. To minimize distractions, create a separate space or time for taming sessions, allowing focused attention on the bird you're working with.